PNP National SWAT Challenge 2025 matagumpay na nagtapos ngayong araw ng January 17, 2025. Sa direktiba ni Police General Francisco D. Marbil, Chief Philippine National Police at sa pamumuno ni Police Brigadier General Anthony A. Abirin, Regional Director ng NCRPO, bilang OPR ng kompetisyon, isang matagumpay at makabuluhang National SWAT Challenge ang nagtapos at mahigit sa 15 elite forces na nagmula sa iba't ibang rehiyon at units ng pambansang pulisya ng Pilipinas ang nakiisa sa kompetisyong ito. Kabilang dito ang NCRPO, Pro Cordillera Administrative Region, Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3, Pro 4A Calabarzon, Pro 4B Mimaropa, Pro 5 Bicol Region, Maritime Group, Anti-Kidnapping Group, Aviation Security Group, Pro 9 Zamboanga City bilang representative ng APC Western Mindanao, APC Eastern Mindanao na narepresenta ng Police Regional Office 11 Davao Region, Pro 6 bilang representative ng APC Visayas at 2 grupo mula sa Special Action Force. At sa opisyal na pagsisimula ng kompetisyon noong January 15, 2025, pinangunahan ni Police Lieutenant General Robert T. Rodriguez, Officer in Charge, PNP Deputy Chief for Operation ang opening ceremony at kaniyang ibinigay ang mensahe ng ating Chief Philippine National Police sa ating mga guests at kalahok ng kompetisyon.
As we confront the evolving challenges of crime and terrorism, the necessity for specialized teams with advanced training, precise execution, and resolve has never been more critical. Moreover, this SWAT challenge is also an opportunity for our units to demonstrate their discipline, mastery, and teamwork, all of which are important in responding effectively to high-stakes operations. It is a stage for testing not only individual strength, but more importantly, the cohesion of our teams, their ability to act as one under immense pressure. Let us use this occasion to learn from one another and strengthen our shared commitment to protecting our communities and upholding peace and order.
Sa kompetisyong ito, nasubukan ang tindi ng pamamaraan, abilidad, bilis at lakas ng ating mga kapulisan na suungin ang 5 mga yugto ng kompetisyon. Ito ay ang mga sumusunod: Stage 1, Marksmanship; Stage 2, Sniper-Initiated Assault; Stage 3, CQB; Stage 4, Bus Assault; at ang panghuli ay ang Stage 5, Palakasan 101 or Obstacle Course. At sa pagtatapos ng National SWAT Challenge ay hinirang naman na overall winner o champion ang Special Action Force Team 1, sumunod naman ang Pro 5 Bicol Region bilang first runner-up at second runner-up naman ang Team RMFB NCRPO. Nakasungkit naman ang Area Police Command Western Mindanao or Pro 9 Zamboanga ng second place para sa Stage 3 Close Quarter Battle or CQB at nakuha naman ng Pro Cordillera Administrative Region ang first place at second place naman ang Police Regional Office 3 sa Palakasan 101 or Obstacle Course ng Stage 5. At nagbigay naman ng mensahe ang ating Special Action Force Director na si Police Major General Mark D. Pespes para sa pagtatapos ng kompetisyon.
As we conclude the 2025 National Special Weapons and Tactics Challenge, over the past days, this event has been more than just a showcase of tactical brilliance and physical competence. It has been a testament to the extraordinary dedication, discipline, and professionalism of individuals who have chosen to serve as the nation's protector. On behalf of the PNP Special Action Force, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a success. The organizers, the participants, the different committees, and the supporters. Your dedication and hard work have made this challenge a meaningful and memorable event.
Ang kompetisyong ito ay naglalayong palakasin at hubugin na lalong mas maging bihasa ang ating mga kapulisan, lalo na sa pagganap ng tungkulin para sa ating bayan upang labanan ang kriminalidad sa ating bansa. Ating nakapanayam si Police Colonel Julius D. Guadamor, Chief Regional Learning and Doctrine Development Division ng NCRPO upang magbigay ng mensahe para sa mga kalahok at sa susunod na kompetisyon ng PNP National SWAT Challenge.
Ito ay program ng ating Chief PNP na si Police General Francisco Marbil at ng aming Regional Director na kung saan pinapakita, nagtatagisan ng galing ang mga trained na personnel ng Special Weapons and Tactics. Since na NCRPO ang owner ng course owner, so tayo ang naging OPR ng activity nito. Maraming naganap. Lahat ng klaseng tactics, ng problem solving, saka kung paano pumutok ng iba't ibang klaseng baril. And of course, yung obstacle course kung saan nagkakaroon ng patibayan ng lakas, palakasan at kung saan ang stamina nila ay nasusubukan dito sa challenge na ito. Ito ay magiging activity lagi ng Philippine National Police upang ma-maintain ang hindi lang camaraderie kundi operational readiness ng lahat ng miyembro ng Special Weapons and Tactics. Sa mga lalaban o lalahok sa susunod na paligsahan or sa SWAT Challenge, paghanda nila, magpalakas sila, pagalingan ng pagputok at of course yung support ng kanilang Regional Director ng logistics kasi kailangan dito maraming bala. Without that support of the Regional Director financially and morally, so medyo hihina ang loob ng mga tropa natin. Pero so far, lahat naman ng Regional Director present during the activity, so nakita natin ang support. Actually, doon sa mga nanalo, congratulations, pinakita nyo ang galing ninyo. Training at napag-aralan nyo sa training na kinandak namin bilang course owner. Pasalamat ako at na i-calculate sa mind ninyo at sa body kung ano ang tinuturo namin. Doon naman sa nakilahok, panalo pa rin kayo dahil patunay yun ng spirit ng inyong pagiging matigas at pagiging miyembro ng SWAT ay nandyan. So again, mabuhay kayong lahat at mabuhay ang Philippine National Police.
Mula dito sa Fort Santo Domingo, Santa Rosa, Laguna, ako po si Police Staff Sergeant Neil Dennis Zuniga, alagad ng batas, taga-taguyod ng Balitang Pulis.